Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. As we are doing determiners and we have done the meaning and we are doing its types. So, we will do a quick revision. What are determiners? An important role in English grammar is played by determiners. You all know that. These are the words that precede a noun and is used to modify a noun. For example, the car, this dress, some men. Car is what? Noun. Dress, again noun. Men, this is also noun. The is what? Article. It is a determiner also. This, it is a determiner. Some, it is a determiner. So, the determiner is used in every case to clarify the noun. It is clarifying the noun. These words, these are clarifying the noun in a better way. And determiners are followed by a noun. And these are determiners and these are followed by what? These are followed by noun. So we have done a quick revision of what are determiners and these are always followed by a noun. So what are the types of determiners? Articles, possessives, demonstratives, distributives, quantifiers, numerals and interrogatives. Articles we have done. In today's session, we will be doing possessives and demonstratives. We will be doing these two in detail. First of all, we'll study what are possessives. We will know the meaning of possessives. What does it actually mean? It shows who an object belongs to. Possessive. A possessive is a word that shows that a certain thing or person belongs to somebody or something. Like my, your, his, her, it, our, their. These are what? These are possessives. What they do? They function as adjectives or pronouns. You know what is pronoun and what is adjective? What are adjectives? These are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For example, red, quick, happy. These are what? These are adjectives. And when they describe a noun, when they describe particular things, that is a red hat, the quick rabbit, a happy person. So these are adjectives that we have used with the noun. Okay. Now what are pronouns? Pronouns are words that function as a noun, which we use in place of noun. For example, I, you. These are what? These are pronouns. So here, when we are studying possessives, they function as what? Adjectives or pronouns. These are called possessives. Next term which we have to do in determiners here is in possessive is possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, theirs. These are what? These are possessive pronouns. I'll be showing you a table in which you will be having pronouns, possessive pronouns and possessive adjectives. You have to learn that table. It is in your BBC. I'll be showing you the image of that. This is the table. This is personal pronoun. That would be subject. This is possessive adjective. This is possessive pronoun. When I is there, with that my. Possessive adjective would be my. Possessive pronoun would be mine. You, your, yours. This you have to memorize. Okay. I have told you what is pronoun. Personal pronoun. Pronoun, you know that. I have told you about possessive pronouns like mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Now you know about adjective. I have told you the meaning. Now what is possessive adjective? My, your, his, her, its, our and their. This you have to memorize. Okay. Here is the meaning of possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives come before the nouns. These are those words which we use before the noun. For example, we must do our work. Here work is noun and our is what? Possessive adjective. Then possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are placed after the nouns. Here in example, this car is mine. Car is what? Car is noun and here we have used mine. So mine is possessive and it is used after the noun. That is why it is possessive pronoun. Possessive adjectives, these are used, they come before the nouns, and possessive pronouns, they are placed after the nouns. This car is mine and we must do our work. This is our noun, this is our noun, this is our what? These are possessives, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. And we are doing what? We are doing determiners. Now see some examples of possessive determiners. I thought my wallet was lost. Here, wallet is what? Noun. My is what? Possessive. Here, possessive determiners. So determiner basically is what here? My. How can we get your dog to obey? Dog is what? Noun. Your is what? Possessive determiner. Determiner here is your, and which type of determiner is? Possessive determiner. His gym shoes are on the floor. Gym is what? Noun. His is what? Possessive determiner. Her marriage was a disaster. Marriage is what? Noun. Her is possessive determiner. Our vacation was fantastic. Vacation is noun. Our is what? Possessive determiner. So these are what? Possessive determiners. Then next is demonstratives. We have studied three types. First one was articles, that we have done a, an and the. Next we did possessives. Now third we are doing demonstratives. Demonstratives, these are of four types: this, these, that and those. Like that man, these apples, these are its examples. And these, it is of only four types: demonstratives, this, these, that and those. Meaning, what does it mean? What does this mean? They describe the position of an object seen from the speaker's viewpoint. How the speaker, whosoever is speaking, whosoever is conveying the message, how that person is having viewpoint, what kind of viewpoint he is having while he is speaking or while he is reading the sentence. So that is the position of the object that it describes. What? Demonstratives. Demonstratives describe the position of an object seen from the speaker's viewpoint. Now see the examples where we use this and these, and where we use that and those. First, this and these used for singular and plural nouns respectively. Respectively means this is used for singular, these is used for plural. Refers to the object that close by. Those objects that are close by to us, that are quite near to us, there we use this and these respectively. Like where we have to use singular and plural according to the sentence, we use these words, this and these, for the objects that are close by. Like example is, whose car is this? Whose cars are these? Means those cars are quite nearby. That's why we are using whose car is this. Means that car is quite near to us. Whose cars are these? Here singular, we are talking about a single car. Here we are talking about plural cars. There are so many cars. So in this way we will use this and these. And this is what? These are demonstratives. These are what? Demonstratives, part of determiners. Then next, that and those. Used for singular and plural nouns respectively. In the same manner, that is used for singular, those is used for plural. Refer to the object that are far away. This and these were used for the objects that were close by. These are used for the objects that are far away. The closeness can be physical or psychological. Means that closeness, either it can be physical, in the physical manner, or that person can think in their mind also. Okay? That is the closeness, or that is the further away their object is. Like, who lives in that house? We are talking about a house. Maybe that house is not near to us. That house is quite far away. That is why we have used that. Who lives in that house? Next example. Our labs are better than those of modern school. Those labs are quite far away from us. That's why we have used those. That and those. That for singular. Those for plural. Labs are there. That's why we have used those. So these are what? These are Demonstratives are of four types: this, these, that, and those, and we use to describe the position of the object. And what we have done, these are part of what? These are part of determiners. This was all about today's session. Thank you.